Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's story is going to be based on how to cut a wrap dress using chiffon fabric of 3 yards. So now I'm going to fold this into 4 by cutting out the half cut. So cutting out 16 inches from the main fabric here for the half length. This is my 16 inches. You can see this is 16 inches. So I'm going to fold this into 4. This is into 2 already. Then I'm going to fold this into 4. So this is into 4, leaving my seam allowance to be 1.5 inches. Then so I'm going to start with the neck. I'm using neck for 7 inches for the neck here. 7 inches for the neck. My armhole too will be 7 inches. Then the half length, which is 16. So from there, I'm going to measure my bust. It's 40. Bust 40. So with the sewing allowance, I'm going to make it 1.5 sewing allowance. So here too, I'm using bust 30, which is 7.5. 7.5 into 4, making 30 for the waist. So plus 1.5 inches here too. Then you slant it up here. Then like this. So after then, you're going to cut it out. So this is it. So since it's a wrap dress, you're going to make use of this front, leaving the back aside. So start from the front here. You open the, you can see I open the front like this. Then I'm going to cut out this side because it's an over it's a wrap dress, so it's going to be an overlap at the upper side. So like this. Then we're going to make a slant line, cutting this part away from here. Then when you get here, use of 4.5 inches for the shoulder. You can see, so you can trim it. So you can see it. Then taking another 16 inches from the main fabric, it's another 16 inches. Then you take this particular one that you cut out, you place it on it like this, not like this, so that it won't be of the same side. So by placing it like this, so like this, you're going to make the face, you are going to face the front to each other. After placing it like this, you're going to cut it out. like this. So after when you're done with this, so these are the two fronts that are going to face one another. You can see. So I'm going to cut the down part now. So with this, I'm going to cut the half, the main the down part. So since it's a wrap dress, it can be straight, it can be a line, and it can be a flared. It depends on how you want the down part to be, because it's a wrap dress. So I'm going to cut this particular one with an A line, not a straight and not a flared. So this is exactly how you're going to fold it into for when you are dealing with an A line. Now I told you earlier that you can make use of straight and you can also make use of flared, but here I'm making use of A line cutting. So folding it like this, you're going to start from the waist. From the waist up here, like I said earlier, I said the waist is going to be 7.5 inches. No, 7.5 inches into 4, making 30. But here, because it's an overlap, the front is an overlap since it's a wrap dress. When you're talking of a wrap dress, the front, there will be a part that is going to go in, and there will be a part that is going to come out. So let me show you from this upper side. Like this. When you're talking of a wrap dress, this pattern, there is one go in like this, and there is other one that is going to come out. So it won't be a normal measurement. When you want to deduct your waist from here, it won't be a normal measurement. So like I said earlier, I said the waist is going to be 30. So 30 plus another front here, let me deduct the allowance, another 15 here. So 30 plus another 15 making 45. So definitely you're going to deduct 45 from here. Your waist here will be 45, not the actual 30 that we measure, because it's a wrap dress. There by 4 give us 11 and a half. It's not 11 and a half, it's 11 and some inches. I'm making use of 11 and a half because of the sewing allowance. So this is it. Like this. So since you have to detect your hip. So from here I'm going to, hip point is 9. So from here I'm going to make use of to take the measurement of the hip so that it won't be tight. So my hip here is 40. So you can see the allowance is not going too tight. So it's going to be free over there. So I'm going to start with the cutting. So after that, on this upper side, I'm going to measure my 45 length of the down part. This is 45. Then I'm going to cut the side here. I won't let it touch this particular yard so that it won't divide the clothes into two. And you have to be very careful so that it won't touch the that part. So this is the down part, and these are the upper parts. These are the upper parts. This is the back. So you can cut any sleeve of your choice, any design of sleeve of it, you can cut it on it. So you can check my video based on how to cut a different type of sleeve. So here is the finished work of what I just cut now. You can see it. So I'm going to tie it for you to see how exactly it's going to look like. So you're going to take this particular side to the other side here. It has an attached rope over here. So you're going to tie it together like this. You can see it. Then the second one will come like this too, to this particular place. Then you tie it as well. This is it. You can see it. So this is what we call a wrap gown. It's same as a wrap dress. You can see how exactly it looks like. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.